Okay, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. So today I will do short unboxing case Q, the last case for 2020. So in Malaysia, this case already released from my news. Okay, not very clear. From my news store. So you can go to the nearest my news store. And each my news, they will send you around 18 cards. So I will show you now the highlight of this case. Second color, Nissan Silvia S13. Now, the most awaited car, Ford F-150. This car introduced during Fast and Furious, red color. (2018) Bentley Continental, very nice coloring. And second color, Tokyo Toyota GT. So I already only bought 4 cards for this time. So I will show you other cards in the picture. Until then, see you again. Bye bye.
Hai guys, jangan lupa like, share and subscribe.